A group of 18 people ordered soup and sandwiches for lunch. Each person in the group had either one soup or one sandwich. The sandwiches cost $7.75 each, and the soup cost $4.50 each. The total for all 18 lunches was $113.50. How many sandwiches were ordered? We're going to define the two different amounts with two different variables. We're going to use X to represent the number of soups, and Y to represent the number of sandwiches. Everybody in the group ordered either one soup or one sandwich, so we take the number of soups plus the number of sandwiches. That should equal to the total number of people. And then we're going to look at the total cost. If you take $7.75 is the cost of the sandwiches, but we're using Y for sandwiches. So if you multiply times Y, that's going to give you the total amount of money collected from the sandwiches. And then if you take $4.50 times the number of soups, that should be the total money collected from the soups. But if you add them together, the total amount of money collected for all 18 lunches was $113.50. Again, we're going to isolate one of the variables. We're going to subtract x from both sides. So y is going to equal to 18 minus x. And then we're going to come back into the second equation, and we're going to plug in the y with 18 minus x. So this is 775 times 18 minus x is equal to 113.50. We're going to distribute the 7.75. So we get 4.50x plus 775 times 18 is 139.50 minus 775x is equal to 113.50. We're going to combine like terms. So we're going to subtract, keep the sign of the larger number. So this is going to be negative 3.25x plus 139.50 is equal to 113.50. Now we're going to subtract 139.50. So we're going to subtract and keep the sign of larger number. And that should give us negative 3.25x equals 26. And then we're going to divide both sides by negative 3.25. This should be negative 26. Negative 3.25 and negative 26 divided by negative 3.25 should be a positive 8. So x is equal to positive 8. Then again, we're going to look at exactly what the question is asking for. The question is asking for how many sandwiches, but we used y to denote the number of sandwiches. We did not find y, we found x. So we got to find y. So we got to come back over here on the first equation where y is equal to 18 minus x, but we know that x is equal to 8, so that means that y is equal to 10. So the number of sandwiches is actually 10 sandwiches.